Sai Ram class. Today we will discuss our activity which we will have as our internal assessment which will going to have very soon. So you have to be prepared for this activity which you have to upload in Google Classroom app under your maths subject folder. So let's see what you have to do in this activity. Now let's move on to using of compass. As in our previous class, we have learned that how we can use a compass to make a circle. So let's recall it first. Okay. Use a compass to make a circle. First we have to put pencil inside the hole of this compass, and after this you have to just tight that nozzle so that pencil could not move or it will be fixed in its position. Now you have to be careful that both the points means pinpoint of pencil and compass should be in same height or should be in same level. Okay, now you can see here both the points of pencil and compass are in same level. So after this, what measure of means what radius of circle I have to draw. If suppose I have to draw a circle with measure means with radius of 5 centimeter, so I have to take the length of 5 centimeter in between the point of compass and pencil. So for this, what I will do, I will put the point of the compass in the initial position and the point of the pencil at 5, because I want to make a circle with radius 5 centimeter. So you can see that I have the distance in between compass and pencil of 5 centimeter. Now I will place the compass point on paper and try to fix it here so that it will not move. After this, I will start rolling that pencil on the paper and be careful that the pin of the compass will not move from its position. Okay, and try to make just one stroke, not again and again. Okay, it will be, see, it will become mistake. What you have to do, just place the point of the compass in one place and just mark a single stroke, not again and again. So now you can check that whether it is a circle with 5 centimeter radius or not. So for this, what you will do, you will place the starting point. You can see we get a center with the pin of the compass. This is our center of this circle. Now you will place the starting point of compass in this center and then see where the arc of the circle. See, you can see here that we have the arc of circle exactly at 5 centimeter. So we can say that it is a circle of radius 5 centimeter. Let's see how we can find out the center of a circle where we don't know where it is center. Means there is no center point as we have in case of compass. So let's see how we can find the center of a circle. For this, first you have to trace a circle with the help of any circular thing. So I am using here a circular bowl to trace circle on that paper. So I am just placing it and just with the help of a pencil I am tracing circle on the paper. So this is my circle after tracing it with the help of bowl. Now I am using a scissor to cut it out. Now this is my circle after cut it down from the piece of paper. Now first I will take it and try to fold it exactly the one half of the paper to the another half of the paper like this. Okay. So you can see here the exact half of this circle is overlapping on another half of that circle. Now after this I will make another fold with exactly overlapping to the another half. Now I will open all the folds and where both the half meets or intersect each other. You can see here this is the line for first fold and this is the line for second fold, and this is the point where both the folds are intersecting each other. So this is the center of this circle. So class, today we have learned how we can find a center of a circle without compass. So this is it for today. So class, you have to practice this activity, and when you have to ask to upload this activity video doing by you, then you have to upload that video in Google Classroom app. So what you have to do, you have to make a video doing this activity, and in the starting of that video you have to first give your introduction including your name, class, section and your roll number also. Okay, and after that you have to make video of doing this activity, and also you have to make a video. In the same video you can merge the video in which you have to speak or tell the table given to you for your internal assessment. Okay class, that means you have to make video doing this activity and also for table. Okay, and in that video you have to first give your introduction. Okay, thank you class.